Sometimes when you're buying fruit trees or vegetables, you want to avoid your regular big box stores. Find something that's a little out the way. Maybe find an outlet or possibly find a nursery, because often you're going to find some of the best plants and sometimes you're going to find incredible prices. Currently, I made a little road trip to Growers Outlet in Loganville, Georgia. So let's check out some of these prices because it's absolutely insane. Imagine going to Home Depot or Lowe's, finding these 6-foot, 5-gallon broadleaf pear trees for 26 bucks. Gallon apple trees, 26 bucks. 6, 7 feet tall, and they look healthy. You want some peach trees? $28. Bella, Georgia peach trees. 6, 7 feet tall. They look healthy. Now, I really wasn't coming to get these specific trees, but I'm just looking at the prices. These aren't clearance prices. These are regular prices. These are prices I expect to see at the big box stores when they put stuff on clearance. Golden Delicious apples, 26 bucks. Now, the prices aren't all great, but crab apple, 26. 5-gallon plum trees, 26. White mulberry, 24. And the selection. I mean, how many different types of peach and plum trees do you normally find at a big box store? Maybe 1, 2. It's 26 bucks. 3-gallon American persimmon trees, 20 bucks. And of course, that's a sale price, but still, regular price was normally, looks like it was under there, $25.50. Nectarine tree, 26 bucks. Not just one variety, but 2 varieties. Nectarine trees. How many nectarine trees are you going to find at the big box store? Satsuma mandarin tree. Now that's a little higher than I want to spend for a tree today, but look at this freaking tree. It's loaded with fruit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So you know this tree's healthy. Absolutely ridiculous. It's only about maybe 4 feet tall, and it has that many fruit on it. Now with that Satsuma mandarin tree, that wasn't the only one that was loaded with fruit. This is another one over here. There's another one. That's pretty good production for such a small tree. Imagine when this tree gets bigger. I love Growers Outlet. Now what I came here for, well, it wasn't a Honeycrisp apple tree, but still 26 bucks. Try ordering that somewhere and seeing how much they're going to charge you for the tree and to ship it. This is what I came here for, an Orient pear tree. I do have another 1 or 2 pear trees. One is very young and hasn't produced yet. The other is old and frankly it's too big. I need to cut it halfway down. But the difference between this tree and most pear trees is fight fire blight. And that's one of the biggest problems with pear trees. Fire blight tends to, you lose leaves, it can kill the tree. Fire blight's the worst thing for it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get one of these. Here's another peach tree, 26 bucks. I mean, really? Really? That's what we're doing out here in Georgia? Loganville, Georgia? Growers Outlet? There's another tree I was looking at. Let's see. Here's another apple tree, $32.50. So my whole thing is, if you want to look at fruit, if you want to look at trees, look at these crab apple trees, full of them. 3-gallon fig tree, 18 bucks. I came here in the spring, and this already has figs on it. That's always a good sign. If you can find fruit that already has fruit on it, find a fruit tree that has a fruit on it already. For me, that's always a good sign. It was probably well taken care of. Look at these figs. Leaf came off, but still, figs already on it. It's dropping leaves because it's starting to get cooler out now, but still, figs on it. 22 bucks. Little Miss Figgy Fig. How many varieties of figs do you guys have? I bought blueberry bushes from here earlier this year. Look at that. 18 bucks or 2 for $30. Well, they're good sized trees. This blackberry tree, baby cake, 22 bucks. Why it's blooming now, I don't know, but and these will probably not make it through the season, but still, pretty decent prices. Kefir pear, over here, 26 bucks. Golden plum tree, varieties. I mean, that's what it's about. Varieties and also very good produce or very good trees. Growers Outlet in North Georgia, near Loganville, Georgia. Great place to make a nice little road trip